Okay, today is December 11th. This motor is gonna be put in there because that one has a blown head. Taking out the wiring harness because I have a wiring specialties harness coming in. I'm about to crank it over, see if so you guys can hear. Never mind, it's locked. Now it's locked. Well, I don't know how I locked it, but it's locked now. Yeah. It did have a blown head that lost compression maybe a month and a half ago, but I'm just now getting all my parts. Right now I'm taking my wiring harness apart just because I'm getting a wiring specialties harness, and I plan on selling this. I doubt I'll sell it. Y'all just see me freaking, all this is hard. But I'm gonna be selling this, so I'm just making it easier for the buyer to identify what's what. Got a marker and some tape. I'm just taking off all the sensors and writing on here, right here, like I'm about to take the O2 sensor off. I'll put O2 and take off it off sensor and tape it. Obviously you can't see it, but it has it. That's the ground. It went in right there. So yeah, when showing you guys some of this, I'm gonna grab a laser pointer because I know guys will be here like, oh, you know, you gotta get this down here, you know, yada yada. You can't even see, even with the light on. But you know, I'll try and make it easier for you guys. I don't have my my fiance's little tripod, so I'm gonna have to sit you in here. So yeah, if you guys fall over, I'm sorry. I'll keep looking back every now and then to see if you guys are looking at my butt or not. But yeah. Alright, so in order to take the wiring harness out, you gotta disconnect the ECU, which is what I'm about to do. This is what's in the way, covers it here. I believe it's a 10 here and a 10 here, and should be it. Maybe one on the bottom. Yeah, but yeah. Okay, so I got it off. There's a bolt there that you're gonna have to take off. That one, bolt, Jesus Christ, here, and the bolt inside here So 3 volts total inside the ECU. Make sure to, when you're taking it out, to not crip one of these wires. And then once you got that off, you pull this off and you pry it up with a screwdriver or something, and you should have the ECU off. Alright, I was able to, ow, fuck. I was able to pull the harness out. I had to take this relay connector out. I'm not sure what it goes to. If anybody could tell me, that'd be great. That's how it looks like. Looks like any other relay. But yeah, there's some, sorry, using the flashlight, thought it was my phone. So I had to take this out right here. This right here. It's just a hanger. Like, for fuck's sake, this freaking light, dude. This right here. It's just like you pull this to hang. Here it is. This right here. Alright, whatever. But yeah, and now you can just pull it up. No problem. But yeah, that's what was stopping me from doing that. Actually, I'm gonna bring y'all over here. Alright, I'll just hold you guys. Cause that part, feels like I'm pulling out a baby, dude. Let's double check what that is. Uh-oh. Alright, something's getting stuck on there. Alright, it was just stuck on something in there. But there you go. That's the harness. Yep, that's the harness. Yes, sir. Got them done pretty quick. I thought it was gonna take me a lot longer. But yeah, that's it. Jesus, can't see crap back there. Yeah, but that's it. I'm gonna try and get under and do the transmission wiring as well, but I'm not sure if I'll do that today. I mean, I got nothing better to do, so I might as well. What I will be taking it off to will be obviously the grounds and whatnot to the battery, to the alternator, you know, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that.